What is up, Capricorn? Welcome back to the channel. This is a weekly reading for you, September 13th through September 20th. Please only take what resonates, leave the rest for someone else. Let's do a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Loud noises is something I'm getting for you. It could be really loud wherever you are, or you're just experiencing a lot of loud noises. A lot of beeping, a lot of ambulance, a lot of sirens, a lot of bells, a lot of loud noises, okay? This is not a bad thing, all right? Noise clears negative energy, so there's some kind of negative energy around you, Capricorn, okay? It's being cleared for you this week. That's a good sign. There's some kind of spell breaking or something like that I'm hearing by the end of the week, okay? Feathers could be significant for you. You may have just found one, or you may be finding one this week. Okay, your ancestors are sending you feathers. I'm also getting that someone is shy around you, or this is you this week. I'm hearing don't be shy. I don't bite. Don't be shy. It's what I'm hearing. Maybe you're telling someone this, or this is what Spirit is saying to you. Don't be shy. Okay. All right. Let's see what else is coming in for you, Capricorn. We're going to pull an overall message for you for the week, and then we'll dive into your tarot messages for Capricorn, September 13th through the 20th. Okay. I am hearing the word intimidating. Okay. Someone is scared of you, or scared of your abilities, or just scared around you. We have illness. Some of you could be sick, or you're getting over a sickness this week, or someone around you is ill or sick. Okay. Somebody could be scared about an illness coming back, or scared about something with their sickness. I'm hearing I wouldn't worry. I wouldn't worry if I were you. I'm seeing the name Braun, B-R-A-U-N. That could be significant for someone here. Okay. I'm seeing a green light, so it looks like the illness is healing, the illness is clearing. Okay, the ailment is clearing or healing somehow this week. But also it looks like somebody was trying to manifest, like, I'm going to say it, manifest death into your life, or manifest a sickness into your life, okay? And all they're doing is manifesting that into their own life, right? That's what I'm hearing. Someone is trying to do spell work on you, spell work on your family, okay? Spell work on your body. I don't know. I'm seeing that, though. Somebody wants you to fall ill, or somebody wants you to die from an illness. Somebody's wishing death upon you or your family. And they don't want me to tell you that, but the loud noises are clearing it, right? So anytime there's loud noises, just know that it's because Spirit is making sure that something is not getting to you, right? Spirit's taking care of you. This illness won't reach you. This illness will clear. This illness will subside, right? I'm getting that for some of you, maybe like an ounce of their spell work, or an ounce of what they're manifesting into your life is working. So like maybe you did have a sore, scratchy throat, or maybe you were experiencing some like eye puffiness or something like that, or struggling with sleep or something, and it's like, oh, we won. That's what they're feeling. That's what they're thinking. They're like, yeah, my spell work is working, but it's not. It's not. Oh, they're in for a rude awakening. Okay. So it looks like that's clearing. Your health is getting better this week. And then we have impact, 333 on the timer when I said that. So you could be seeing 333 as well. We have impact. Something's happening for you quickly this week, okay? Maybe you get over this illness quickly, or maybe you heal from something quickly, okay? I'm also getting something about a quick conversation, okay? A quick, meaningful conversation coming through for you this week. Let's see what's going on here. You could be going to the beach, all right? Going near the ocean, all right? Or you live near the beach, live near the ocean. Let's see what this is. I'm hearing you have impact, or you have made an impact, okay? Or you will make an impact. Something you're doing is very impactful, okay? What's going on for Capricorn this week? September 13th through the 20th. Yeah, somebody is like paying someone to do work on you, or someone is like, oh my goodness. And they're like, oh my God, it's not working. Oh my God, it's not going to work. Oh my God. They're seeing the work that they're doing on you manifesting into their life, because that's how that works, especially if it's negative, right? Use your powers for good. Use your healing energy for good. Use your magic for good. Okay, Cappy, if this is you, but I don't feel like it is. Six of Pentacles in the reverse. It's like they're spending money, or they're paying someone to do work on you, or paying something. They're like putting money into this endeavor for your illness, for your death, or for whatever. 10 of Pentacles in the reverse. They're spending a lot of money. Like, some of them are like using their whole life savings or using like whatever they have saved. But I'm also getting that like later on this week, they're going to go back to that same person or going to go back to that situation and like beg to reverse the spell or beg to reverse the work that they're doing. But it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. You know what I'm saying? You shouldn't have done it in the first place. You reap what you sow. I'm just seeing that someone's trying to manifest into your life. Manifest suffering, manifest an illness, manifest into your life, and it's happening to them quickly. It's like instant karma. Like, they don't know who they're messing with, and they don't know who you are on the spiritual realm. Someone doesn't even believe in the spiritual realm, but they're going to somebody to do like voodoo, magic, spells, or something like that. But you are protected. Okay, Cappy? My God, it's funny to me. I don't know why I'm laughing. Your spirit team is laughing because your spirit team is like, they really thought they were going to get through us. They really thought that they were going to get to Cappy. Cappy is Saturn. Capricorn is the devil card. It's Saturn. Like, anything they try to manifest on you or anything they try to cast on you will just be cast back to them immediately. Immediately. Sudden impact. I'm also getting sudden arrival. I was getting something about overnight. Okay, you may be healing overnight or regenerating overnight. Something is happening overnight for you. This could be overnight sales, an overnight shipment, overnight success. Okay, overnight something. Something's happening for you overnight. But also I'm getting that something is happening for these people overnight. Somebody's doing this work on you overnight. Okay? And then in the morning they're waking up and nothing's happening. Or they're in the waking up in the morning and like they feel sick. They feel ill. Right? And then they just keep doing it. Someone's on a vicious cycle of trying to like do something to you. Spirit, can you tell me who this person is real quick, or like who these people are? It could be family members or like ex-family members, people who were like married into the family, or people who like, I don't know, came into your family's life at one point and they just no longer exist. They're no longer like family friends. They're no longer a part of the family, or it could just be family members in general. Okay, I'm getting for some of you it's someone you pissed off, right? Or maybe it's just like a bunch of different people. It can be a community of people that you've pissed off, but you didn't do anything. You just make an impact, all right? I feel like it's because you're helping people, and these people don't want other people to be helped. They want other people to drown. They want other people to suffer. They want other people to feel like them. So they'll do anything and anything to make that happen for you or to stop you, all right? But it's not going to happen. It's not manifesting. This is all in the reverse. This means this is not working. Their plans, their schemes, their plots are not working. Okay? I'm hearing something about graveyard. Someone's like digging up a grave, or someone's going to the graveyard. Alright, a cemetery or something like that. For death spells, for death magic or something like that. The secrets are being revealed. The truth is being revealed. Spirit is not going to let you get hurt, Cappy. I'm telling you, Spirit is not going to let you get hurt. All right? Use your magic for yourself. Use your energy for yourself and your good vibes and what you're doing, okay? Because a lot of you, I feel like you're spreading goodness. You're spreading kindness. You're spreading what you need to be spreading, okay? I'm hearing spreading your seed, okay? But this doesn't have to be like something sexual. It could just be spreading like your intelligence, spreading your connection to source. I don't know. Who is this person or these people who's trying to manifest into Cappy's life? Who are these people? Ooh. For some of you, it's like someone's trying to stop your success or stop your growth. They see that you're growing very rapidly, or you will grow very rapidly, so they're trying to stop your success. It could be a Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, or Scorpio. Okay, I'm getting heavy Leo, heavy Scorpio energy. It could, of course, be an ex. All right, but I'm getting it's someone who feels like they have unfinished business with you, or it's somebody who like doesn't want to see you in the public eye. They don't want to see you win. They don't want to see you have success. So they think that they can stop it. Like, they think that they are so powerful, yet they're using other people's means or using other people's like magic or spells to try to make that happen. All right, and all it's doing is propelling you even further. All it's doing is giving you more exposure, giving you more success, giving you more. You're becoming more entertaining. You're becoming more funny. You're becoming better. Like, I don't know what's going on, but these people are going to have a quick turnaround or a quick realization this week that it is not working. That whatever they're trying to do to you is not working. Instead, it's helping you. All right? Whatever they're trying to do to you is helping you. Okay? Period. All right, let's continue the rest of the week for Capricorn, please. I don't know why that's coming through for you this week, Capricorn, but it is 10 on the timer when I said that, okay? Your birthday could be on the 10th, but 10s represent completion. So like I said, by the end of this week, this spell will clear, all right? Or this energy will be returned, all right? It's going where it needs to go. Judgment in the reverse. And the devil in the reverse. Yeah, the spell is clearing this weekend. Everything is in the reverse. Everything is like upside down. I'm like, is the deck upside down? But it's not. My deck is not completely upside down. There's some upside down cards, but everything is not upside down. It just looks like everything is upside down. Everything is in reverse, okay? And I feel like it's because somebody's trying to do work on you, and Spirit's using you as like a pawn, or using you as like an example. They're using you to make an example out of these people, okay? Whatever they've cast on you will be cast onto them this weekend. All right. And I feel like they're getting a message of this, or they're getting information about this. And so they're trying to go back to this person, or they're trying to go back to like the spell and be like, oh my God, how can I break it? How can I reverse it? Whatever. But once it's done, it's done. Period. Okay. Somebody's using like hair or blood or graveyard magic or something like that, or gel, spells, jars. That's the word I was looking for. Something like that. Tooth, bones, something like that. They're trying everything they can. They're trying to throw the whole freaking kitchen sink at you, Cappy. And it's not working because you are the devil card. Nothing can penetrate you. Period. Especially this week, nothing can penetrate you. Keep doing what you're doing. You're making an impact. You're helping a lot of people. You, of course, could be a tarot reader or like a spiritual practitioner yourself, but I'm hearing like your spells are working, your magic is working, and maybe that's why they hate you, or maybe that's why they're doing this, because they see that what you're doing is working. There's people following you. There's people who want to be more like you. There's people who are inspired by you. And these people hate that because they want that for themselves. But the thing is, if they did it, I don't even want to get into it. I don't. I don't. They don't care. I feel like you don't care either. But that is what I'm seeing for you so far this week. All right, let's clarify, I guess. Everything will turn around for you this weekend, okay? And it'll turn around so quickly. All right, it'll be like this never even happened. It'll be like a dream or a fever dream, okay? Someone's birthday could be 12/26, all right? Or there's significance around that date, 12/26, okay? All right, clarify the Six of Pentacles in the reverse, please. Ooh, the Knight of Swords. Quickly. They're like trying to quickly reverse this, right? Somebody is just spending a lot of money. Maybe they've been going to these people for a long time, or maybe they've been trying to spend this money on getting your demise for quite some time. It's just like they keep doing it over and over and over again, right? Even this horse is looking at the person like, are you sure about this? Do you see the eyes on that horse? They're trying to like look back at the person on the horse like, are you sure you want to do this to Cappy? Are you sure you want to do this? And every time they're just like, yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it, over and over and over again. And it's not manifesting, or it's not working, and it's not going to. It's not supposed to. All right, clarify the Ten of Pentacles. The Star. They're trying to stop you from being a star, from healing, from succeeding, right? But you're going to anyway because it's meant to be, all right? It could be an Aquarius, right? Or a Gemini who's doing this. Doesn't have to be. Maybe you have those in your chart. You want to watch other readings, all right? Watch the other readings that are on the page. Because this is all about someone doing some kind of spell work on you. I don't know why that's coming through, but it is. But I'm just getting that someone doesn't want to see you succeed, or somebody sees that you're becoming more successful. I feel like you are the black sheep of the family, or you're the one in the family who's meant to break generational curses or something like that. And somebody in your family is trying to keep you trapped or trying to keep you stuck. All right? Okay? But you're healing. Spirit's taking care of you. Your angels and your ancestors are not going to let anything bad happen to you. Okay? All right, what's the Four of Cups in the reverse, please? Oh, the Six of Cups. Somebody will try to befriend you because they think that if they become friends with you, that the spell will then work. But I feel like you're not even seeing the message, or you're not even like giving these people the time of day or something like that. You might have your Instagram set to private, okay? Or you may need to set your Instagram or something to private. But I'm getting that on Thursday somebody's going to try to befriend you, okay? Or this like enemy or this like toxic energy is going to be like, hey, can we be friends? Hey, I don't want to send you all this negative energy anymore. Like, hey, I want to make things right or something like that. I feel like they're getting caught up in their own lies by Thursday. All right, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they're like trying to reverse the spell, reverse the negativity, okay? Something like that. While all this is happening, there could be a soulmate manifesting into your life. I'm seeing that. It could be a Scorpio, okay? I'm getting a lot of Scorpio energy, but I'm not getting it's an old Scorpio. I'm getting it's a newer Scorpio or somebody who's like equally obsessed with you, but like in a healthy obsession or something like that. I'm gonna get away from that energy, but like while all this is going on, there's like love manifesting into your life too, like real love, like true love, like friendship love, but like soulmate love, but like real, true love. And maybe that's what these people are trying to block from happening too, because they've got word of it, or they've got messages of it, they've got downloads of it in their sleep, in their dreams, that like Capricorn's going to be in love, or Capricorn's going to have this amazing love life, and then you're going to forget about everybody else, you're going to forget about them, or they're just not going to have it for themselves because somebody is like alone, or somebody's miserable in their current relationship, somebody feels stuck, trapped in their relationship, and you're like not, so that's a problem for them, okay? But yeah, shit hits the fan on Friday. This is that quick impact, that instant karma, right? They're feeling it for sure this weekend. This whole week, they're like, it's gonna go well, it's gonna work, it's gonna happen. They're like pouring money into it, they're dropping everything they can into it, they're giving all this time and energy to you. And all it's doing is making you stronger, making you better, giving you more exposure, getting you more attention, right? Whatever they throw at you, it's not going to work. It cannot penetrate you. And then they realize it this weekend. They're like, oh my God, everything that I'm doing to Capricorn is happening to me. Yeah. Okay. Devil card in the reverse, please. I'm ready to be done with your reading, Capricorn. Sorry, I don't know why this is going on, but there's a quick turnaround for you this weekend, okay? Especially with your health. All right, I'm seeing that. And then we have the King of Cups. I'm telling you, there's real love manifesting into your life here. You may meet this person this weekend, okay? Or you may be reconnecting with this person this weekend if that's the case. For some of you, I guess it could be a Scorpio that you already know. All right, but it's somebody who's like very in love with you, has no strings attached, like they don't come with any baggage, they've already healed, something like that. All right, they want to go on dates with you, they want to take you out, they want to be out with you, like they want to be seen with you, okay? You may be keeping this relationship a secret for a while, or you may be keeping this relationship to yourself, because I feel like it's nobody's business, all right? But I do see a relationship is manifesting for you this week behind the scenes, like a real, genuine, caring, loving relationship, okay? That's what I'm seeing. The spell is definitely breaking, all right, by the end of the week, okay? I feel like you've also made an impact on this person's life. This person who's coming towards you, they may tell you that. Like they may already know of you, or they may already know you somehow, some way, okay? Or they just feel this immediate like attraction to you, or like the first date makes a lot of impact on their life. Like just one conversation with you, Cappy, makes a lot of impact in their life. Like they feel healthier after talking to you, they feel more intelligent after talking to you, they feel more at peace, more calm after talking to you, after being in your energy here, okay? Last message, please, for Capricorn for the week. I'm hearing divine timing. Everything's happening in divine timing. I don't want to take all of those. Somebody's throwing the kitchen sink at you. I'm also seeing something about like a book of spells or something like that, a book of darkness or something. All right. They're trying to like rip out the pages or like scratch off what they've written or something like that, but once it's written, okay? Or once it's said, it's said. I'm hearing it's too late for that now. It's too late to go back now. That's what your spirit team is saying to them. Okay. Last message for Cappy. This one. We have Skull of Flowers. Creating through the ashes. You are so inspiring and so impactful, and you don't even know it. Like, your energy, your aura is radiant. It's beautiful. No one would even know that any of this is happening to you. Nobody would even know that people are doing this to you behind the scenes, or casting this negativity, these spells, whatever, what have you, on you behind the scenes. Gosh, your energy is amazing. So good. I feel like people can feel your energy. Like, people can just pick up on your energy very well. Maybe you're a content creator, maybe you post YouTube videos or something like that, but it's like people just smile when they see you. You're radiating this week, all right? You're radiating beauty, effervescence, love, okay? It says Skull of Flowers. You are creating through the ashes. You are the phoenix rising from the ashes. Nothing they do can hurt you. Nothing they do can stop you. You are blessed, period. All right? Somebody feels invisible around you, or somebody feels invisible and they're blaming it on you, but that's not your fault. They feel invisible because they feel invisible. Leave it at that. All right? That's what I have for you, Capricorn. I hope that it helped, provided some clarity. I'm sending you such good vibes and love always. Take care of your beautiful self. Stay hydrated. If you'd like to tip or donate, information's in the description box below. Hit the like button for me and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.